lords,
The
they
poor
run a
people,
chit
these are
fund.
poor people whom you have called to the hotel on the pretext of husband has stolen money, so come here, we'll settle it and
Driver-
ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೆದು rape ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ.
ಅಂತ
That is the
ಅವಳು-
allegation. That
That's
is the
the allegation.
allegation.
That's the allegation.
Then,
And she says, I told my husband.
whatever.
And
Told
the
your
husband
husband or
continues to
not,
work for me.
you call her to the hotel and commit an act of rape is the allegation and ingredients are, everything is narrated.
My lords, see,
Adರಲ್ಲಿ
I request your lordships to have 72 first. All our facts are same. My lords, why
rape.
she alleges rape by filing a complaint, my lords, that I called, if your lordship sees the complaint. She says that I called saying that her husband is a driver with me. She says I called her saying that he has stolen money, come to Shivaji Nagar. Then she says I called her to the hotel and then I committed rape. And also she says I intimated my husband, but then he continued to go to work with the accused of petitioner hearing. Then after, my lords, about 20 days, the husband files one complaint. Oh, please see that complaint also. There is not even a whisper about this. And he also says, I was going to work, that I demanded, he had borrowed money or he was running a chit fund and I assaulted him. Not even a whisper about what happened. And my lords, in normal circumstances, if somebody rapes the wife, she says, my husband continued to go with the work. And knowing that she had been raped. My lords, most unbelievable version.
Sir, rape case ಅಲ್ಲಿ FIR register ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಉಂಟು.
Allah,
Then promise to marry na.
it's
ಅಲ್ವಲ್ಲ
not- No,
ಮತ್ತೆ
no, I'm not. My lords, please see. That's why, my lords, if both the versions are seen, that's why I said.
both the versions ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು investigation is a must. Come after charge.
My lords,
In case charge sheet is filed, you come.
the only issue is,
Otherwise, the ingredients are clearly met.
my lords, the ingredients. That's why, my lords, if your
Yeah,
lordship
no,
sees the exceptions, my lords, in Bhajan Lal's case.
Vajan Lal,
My lords,
rape,
if your lordship, no, in a rape,
Yes, sir.
my lords, what I'm trying to say is, if your lordship sees her complaint, she says, I went to Shivaji Nagar, then I was called to a hotel, then I was raped. Then she says, I intimated my husband. Next day he goes to work.
He doesn't go to work next day.
She says, my lords, please see the complaint. She says he went to work.
sir, investigation is a must in this case. Rape, sir. She alleges rape.
My lords,
And you are saying I should quash it or stay it in
Lords,
528.
the husband, after 10 days, he files a complaint. He says nothing about this. My lords, any normal human, at least there would have been a whisper that my wife has been raped. That also he does not say. He continues to go to work with me.
Sir, these are poor people.
My lords,
Well, that's what.
my lords,
The poor
they run
people,
a chit
these are
fund.
poor people whom you have called to the hotel on the pretext of husband has stolen money, so come here, we'll settle it and
Driver-
ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೆದು rape ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ.
ಅಂತ
That is the
ಅವಳು-
allegation. That
That's
is
the
the
allegation.
allegation.
That's the allegation.
Then,
And she says, I told my husband.
whatever.
And
Told
the
your
husband
husband or
continues to
not,
work for me.
you call her to the hotel and commit an act of rape is the allegation and ingredients are, everything is narrated.
My lords, see,
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
my lords, what I'm trying to make out is, she says, I intimated my husband.
By
He
what trying to
went
make
to
out?
work. Allah.
In fact, my lord, CCTV footage of the hotel.
My lords, I am only saying that.
want me to answer? I'll answer.
No, no,
Not a
not
problem,
that.
sir.
Then the 70, then the husband's complaint, my lords, that, my lords, is again a made up story, if your lordship sees.
Made up for investigation.
Lords, I will only say
Oh,
this.
sir. Oh, the facts are gross, sir. No.
Lords, that of
I
course,
would have definitely granted. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. She,
then, my lords,
auto driver's wife,
no, no, she is my driver's wife.
sorry, driver's wife. See,
He runs a chit fund.
you're in a position, sir, you're in a position of command
That,
over that lady. So you call her to the hotel on the pretext that your husband has stolen money.
ಅದು 6:01. Then again she says, I go to their house on 15th. She says, I go to their house in the night on 15th and commit the same act. And
How's, sir? That is again said. You have repeated that act.
the husband does not even, he continues to come to work with me.
Sir,
I'll-
husband accepting the fact also, will it take away the rape of the woman?
I'm only saying
No, sir.
if it was so gross, my lords,
It is. The narration is gross. Husband merely keeping silent and going back to work as driver,
but then
will it take away the rape of the
He
wife?
also files a complaint against me, not even whisper about the earlier incidents. That's what I was trying to make out, my lords.
No, sir. This is, the whole issue is you are in a position of command, his driver's wife.
Lords, our case
And
is
you
here.
allege that he has stolen money, so come and settle it in the room, in the
Avun
hotel
ma-
room.
But he has given a written thing that he will return the money, but
Whatever, sir. Allegation
Lords,
is
I understand.
husband has stolen money, come to the hotel room, we'll settle it. The wife comes.
Lords, I am saying about the husband's complaint at least, my lord.
No, sir, absolutely not. ನೋಡೋದೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. It's, things are clear here.
My lords, I understand where I stand.
No, no, sir.
Yenappa, you want to take a chance or leave it? Come back. The Lord just make.
She has fallen prey for whatever you have called, saying that you will say, you say I will terminate your husband or he has stolen money. So come here, we will settle it.
The husband is there.
No,
I think, my lords, I'll come back after. My lords, your lordship may reserve liberty.
charge ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Yes. They heard the learned senior counsel K. N. Panindra appearing for the petitioner. The facts ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. The petitioner is before the court calling in question registration of a crime and crime number so and so. After arguing the matter at length, the learned senior counsel would submit that he be reserved liberty to approach this court or the appropriate fora in the event the police filing the charge sheet and the charge sheet, police filing the final report and the final report going against the petitioner. Reserving such liberty, the petitions stand disposed. ಎರಡು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದೇ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.